So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get the GIF or GIF option on Instagram and how you can comment the GIF on any Instagram post. And if you are not able to see GIF option on your Instagram comments, then how you can get it. So for commenting a GIF or GIF on Instagram, you just have to simply go to the comment section of any post. And now if I want to comment a GIF, I get an option next to my comment here, which is GIF. Simply tap on this option and select the GIF that you want to comment, and it will be automatically commented. And you can also search for any GIF from here. For example, you can search for happy or sad or anything that you want. So that's how you comment a GIF. Now if you don't get this GIF option in this comment section, then how can you get it? For this purpose, you gotta go back from here and open the App Store if you are on iPhone, and open Play Store if you are on Android. I am on iPhone, so I'm gonna open App Store. And after that, search it here, Instagram, and hit the search button. And when you search Instagram, this Instagram will be appeared up for you. Tap on it. And now you have to check whether there is any pending update for the Instagram app or not, because this GIF or GIF option is available in the latest version of Instagram app. So you gotta just tap on the update button available here, and your Instagram app will be updated, and you will be able to see the GIF or GIF option in the comment section of every post. But if after updating this option is still not visible for you, you can go to your profile, tap on these three lines, and after that go to your settings and privacy, scroll down to the end, and here you get the option of help. And next you can go to report a problem and simply tap include and continue and report the problem here, that you are not able to get the GIF or GIF option in your Instagram app. And I'm more than pretty sure that your query will be resolved within 24 hours and you will start seeing the GIF or GIF option in your account too, because this is just a new update and it may not be available for some people, but you will get it soon if you update your app and report the issue to Instagram. Now if you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.